In this video, we try and get this drone to fly. And by the way, this can take 6S LiPo and can probably do about 100 miles an hour. And it hits the deck. Do you want to get rich quick? Then buy a lottery ticket and hope for the best. If you want to get rich for sure, you have to provide either a product or service of value. I've spent the past 10 years of my life trying many different ways of making money online. And by far, the quickest and easiest way that I have found is by selling on eBay. I make over $100,000 every single year by selling simple items like this. And I've helped hundreds of people make thousands of dollars every single month. So if you want more money so you can buy more toys, buy a nice house, or quit that dreaded 9 till 5, then click the link down below and I'll show you how. Guys, in this video, we're going to try out the eSheen drone for the first time. So this thing can do 6S LiPo, it's a race drone. They're a lot more dangerous than I first thought. They can cut fingers off. So we're going to go off to a friend's house and he's going to help me set it up, and then we're going to try and fly it, and there's probably going to be loads of crashes. Also, if we get a chance, I'm going to be taking this little 3D helicopter as well. And I'm going to put links to both of these down below. So these are about the only RC toys that actually fit in this car. Look at that, that's it, full.
Whoa, easy, Kev. I've got to hold this thing for you.
Please leave the roundabout.
He was asking for it then.
Alright, on location, we tried to plug it into the laptop, get it going, but this receiver is not binding to that transmitter, so we don't know why. We tried it on a different one there, and it still didn't work, so we don't know what's going on, but we've got a different drone that we can crash. Alright, so this drone here is going to go maybe through there.
Yeah, put the GoPro on.
GoPro on. I don't know where I'm going to hide. I'll hide behind him. I'll stamp in the house there, look. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're off. Oh, we're off. It's a grasshopper. Oh, and it hits the deck. What happened?
Shut it down.
Oh, nearly ended up in the bin.
Oh, it's over there. How did it get there? What did it look like? I thought I was in that far corner that side.
Is she good?
Yeah.
Oh, she's good. Is it safe to touch it?
Yeah, just put it on its belly. Oh, the plug's come out. That's why it's gone bananas.
Are you a pro at this?
No.
Stamp laughing over there, look.
That's had a proper. Oh, right, he's off.
Oh, hold on, it's hitting the balance plug.
It is hitting the balance plug, isn't it?
I'm scared of him, man.
Right, let's go back to the start. I don't know how we got there. I went it around, then it just went up and down and bounced around. I thought the picture went out in that corner, around that flag.
Oh, it's still up, right? Oh, I thought
Sounds a bit throttly.
something just shot off.
It's quite weird to see me. You're just looking over there.
Did something just shoot off?
Oh yeah, I've lost some props.
Uh-oh, blade damage.
You changing it up?
Oh, oh no! Oh, down again. I think it's too windy. Look at all that stuff going everywhere. Can it do flips with that? Oh, where are you going? Oh, it's got some power. What S LiPo is that for?
I I'll do a 0 to 50 feet.
Go on in. Jesus! So what's my 6S one going to be like? Oh my god, that goes! Oh, oh my god! I'm just laughing. What's happening? I think I'm going to hide next to this tree.
Yeah, I'll stand behind the tree. Pretty tough. Armed.
Can you do flips and rolls that way? Oh my god. Oh! Jesus! One just turned up. Oh my god!
Dude, this fire!
That's crazy. So I just want to say a big thanks to my buddy Lee for spending some time trying to get my drone up and running. So we didn't get it going in the end. I think I've got to buy a new receiver. But anyway, I want to give a big shout out to Lee's business, L&S Signs. They specialise in making stickers. So, for example, this is where I get my subscribe stickers from. They do, like, shop signage. Hold on, let's flip you around and I'll show you on the computer. So here's his website. I'm going to put a link to this website down below. So if you want any stickers making, then this is a place to go. They do many different things. So he does cars, shop signage, exhibition stands, banners. And he's also got an eBay shop, so if you need any custom-made stickers or anything like that, just have a little look, see what you think, and I'm going to put a link to all of that down below. No idea why this wouldn't bind to this. So this is the receiver. Ooh. So for some reason, the radio was not talking to the receiver. So this is the receiver here that I've got. This is what some of you guys told me in the comments to get. If it will focus, hold on. So this is the receiver that I've got. And we first thought that it may be because this is DSM2 and this is DSM-X, but my buddy's got a DSM-X radio and it wouldn't work with that neither. So I don't know, I don't really know what's going on. So I've ordered another receiver. I've gone for a Lemon or whatever they're called. We're going to try it with that one, see what happens. So hopefully we're going to get this drone going soon. And seeing how fast that 4S drone went, that was crazy. So God knows what this is going to be like on 6S. It's just going to be mad. I definitely wouldn't want to be hit by it, that's for sure. Hopefully we're going to get this drone flying very, very soon. I'm going to put a link to this drone down below. It's not for beginners. You've got to know what you're doing, or you have to know somebody that can help you get you up and running, because I think these are pretty dangerous and they're quite fiddly to get going. So yeah, don't just buy it and hope for the best. I think you have to join a club or go with somebody that knows what they're doing. Oh no, your stamp! Oh no! Man, that little thing is screaming!
He loves it, mate.
Go on then, flat out drive by. Was that keeping up with your armour?
Huh?
Was that keeping up with your armour?
Of course it was.
Oh my god, here we go, here we go! Meow. Man, is that not running hot?
No?
That's running nice and cool.
Yeah, look, touch it.
Oh, it's quite hot. Running nice though. Oh, tyre's coming off, bruv. Oh.
Mate, that is spinning in that tyre.
Do you reckon it is?
Yeah.
Steph, we're going to get a runaway.
I had one already.
Did you?
Yeah.
What, on that one?
Yeah.
Really? Did it break anything?
Nah, just pulled up to the curb. Pat saw it.
Yeah.
Servo burnt out.
Oh, what was that? Oh, is the tyre done?